Handles are one of the most important parts of a mug. If a handle doesn't feel right, you're not going to want to use it. In this video, I show you how I attach and pull my handles so that they're comfortable and they feel natural and they look good. In order to get my handles correct, I roll about 75 grams of clay and then I pinch them into this shape, into a bone shape. And then I wet and scratch the cup and also the handle to make a good connection. You can see here, I make sure that I wet and scratch thoroughly at the top and the bottom. Then I reshape the handle that I've already pinched so that it fits nicely against the mug. I also wet and scratch the handle attachments and then I firmly attach them to the mug. Typically, I would pull the handle off the mug and shape it and wait for it to get to the leather hard stage and then attach. But now I'm starting to attach it and shape from the mug. Here you can see how I attach it, firmly pressing against the mug. And now I'm going to flip it over, make sure the attachment is secure, and then dip it in some water and pull the handle. You don't need too much pressure when you're pulling. You just need enough to stretch and smooth out the pinched handle shape. The bone handle is what I'm aiming for, where the attachment is fat on the top and on the bottom. Make sure you have the correct angle so that the handle flows nicely up towards the rim and then down towards the foot. And you achieve this by holding the mug at a 45-degree angle towards your body. You can see when I flipped it over, it creates a really nice curve at the top. Now I have to attach the bottom. When I attach the handle, the mug body is in the hard leather hard stage, but the handle is in the soft plastic stage. So there is some time where I have to place the mug under plastic. I want to make sure that all my scratch marks and my slip marks are smoothed out. I don't fuss or mess with the handle too much because I feel like the handle naturally falls into a nice curve. A couple characteristics of a nice handle include having a smooth, round top so that your fingers fit nicely and snugly at the top. Also, you don't want the handle to stick out too far from the mug. About a finger's width in between your finger and the mug is sufficient. I noticed a little spot where when I was pulling, the clay started to bulge or overlap, so then I'm just smoothing it out. You can find more on my website at kowalskipottery.com. Thanks for watching.